Welcome back to Cross Step Part 2. In session 1, we learned about steps of doing cross step, that is analysis, that followed by descriptive, then cross step. Then we also learned save syntax file by name, cross step, gender and age group. Now in session 2, we'll learn the process again. We'll repeat the process again and we'll try to learn how to save the cross tab and diagram to MS Word document. Let's begin. Test 1. So I'll click here. So it appeared. This is my data. And these are the variables that I already prepared beforehand. So I am interested to do a cross tab between gender and age group, and for to see that how many males and females are there in each age group. Now I will go to analyze, then I will go to descriptive statistics, then I'll go to cross tab. I will click over here. Then one dialog box will appear, and in that dialog box I need to keep my data where I'm interested to do the test. So I'm keeping gender in row, then age group, and clicking arrow, yes, age group of the respondent. Then I will go to paste option. These things I may not apply, it's okay. Then display cluster bar, I'm interested to keep cluster bar, so I'm clicking over here, and then okay, paste. So I'll prefer paste. I'll click over here, paste. So this thing will appear. So as I prepared beforehand, that's why it is appearing again. So in that way we'll save. Now I will go to save button. I will click save button. Then this will be saved as syntax. Dataset activate cross tab. So I'm removing this because we already prepared. Okay, I'm removing this option. Okay, no issue. No, then I'll cancel. Yes, no, yes, no. Okay, so now I have that cross tab gender. Previously I saved the syntax file by cross tab gender and age group. So I will open this. It is taking some time. So cross tab is very important. It will give you the information that where you did any mistake or not at the time of entry. Is there any mistake happened by you or not? So this is very interesting also. And in research study, please try to keep objective wise at least 2-3 cross tab minimum. Okay, so I saved twice, no, that's why it appeared. No issue, no issue. Then I will go here because I did it twice, that's why it appeared. Okay, so after bar chart dot, then I'll keep my cursor over there. Then what I need to do, I need to go to file, then open. I will open my data. Without data it won't open, so I'll open my data here, click. So I kept my data in desktop by test1.sab. this is the data file. Sab file is a data file, always remember. Okay, so I'm clicking here, open. See, my dataset is activated now. Now I'll minimize my dataset. Then this output also I minimize. Then now it is there. After dot, cursor is there. It is blinking. You can see. Then I will go to this green arrow and I will click. See, cross tab appears. So for cross tab, I will show you now. This is the cross tab. Gender of respondent into age group of the respondent, cross tabulation. So here you can see gender because I kept in row. So this gender. So this is the row. Okay, and this is in this direction. No, up to bottom is column and left to right is row. So male 15 to 18 years 2 males, 19 to 24 years 4 males, and 25 to 29 years 10 males. Okay, females 15 to 18 year 2 females, it is equivalent, both males are females are same. And 19 years to 24 years 8 females, then 15 years to 29 years 4 females. So females are more in the age group of 19 to 24 years. And in our study, total male were 16 and total female were 14. And this is cluster bar chart. So you can see male, this blue, no, this blue is 15 to 18 years. So here when we'll keep this chart, no, we need to do it manually because SPSS won't provide you. So here what you need to do, you need to keep the number and percentage for all. So that's all for this software that we did or task. Now you need to copy this and you need to paste to your research result file. So how you'll do that? You'll just click over here, you'll select, no, see, when you'll select, no, it will become black. So you click over here, then right click to your laptop, this is mouse, then copy this. It isn't copied. Now you open your, I'm creating here, but if it is already open, then you just open that one. So I'm writing cross tabulation. tabulation. Now I will paste this table, maybe table number 2. Okay, then I'll paste. Yes, it appeared, right? So we'll design the table as per our wish, and you can also design gender of the respondent, no need, total, no need. Then just bring it here, sorry, just bring it here. It's going okay, no issue. And male, female, and this is the, you can edit here. Okay, no issue. Total, see, now total came. So you want to make it bold, yes, make it bold, you the respondent. And if you want to make these things bold, you can bold this also. You can bold this male and female, but it is not required. Here you can write gender. Okay, so in this way, so cross tab, maybe table 2, cross tab of gender and age group. So you prepared. Okay, now you are interested to keep the bar chart, clustered bar chart. So click there, copy, it has copied. Then paste here, it has paste. So in below you can write graph or diagram or chart, whatever. So I am writing it is a diagram, maybe 1 or 2, whatever. Diagram 1, gender wise distribution of age group, or age group wise gender distribution, whatever. You can see, you can edit something over here. You can make it a bit smaller in size. Okay, and you can edit to different maybe in paint to keep the number and percentage you need to calculate manually. So in that way you can save the file over here. Then all operations done. So one thing I want to tell you, that you are not expected to keep both the things, both table and chart. You are allowed to use only one, either table or chart. Okay, and now you close the all the options. Yes, no, cancel, no. Thank you.